After our 4 days of driving, we finally made it to our next destination. All right, we're here in San Antonio at their KOA, which is pretty crazy. You're kind of in the city area, but definitely surrounded by trees. There's a sweet 8+ mile bike path that's accessed right off the campground here. We happen to be right next to it. We're here for about a week, a little less than a week. So we're gonna be checking out the checking out the San Antonio Riverwalk this week, which will be cool. Actually super cool. Got to meet up with a Facebook, YouTube follower yesterday at an RV place. Got to check out his taxa Mantis, which was super awesome. And we're gonna go take a little recess break from school and hit up the playground. So we'll see you over there. All right, here it is. This place is pretty sweet.
I just made the cut.
So it's got like a big play set area. Yeah, Bella, you just make the cut to be able to play on here. I guess that means I don't make the cut. They've got a huge rec hall and like a breakfast cafe out back. And then they've got a whole other playground area too over here with swings and stuff to climb on. So, super cool. All right. I'm being summoned to play. You ready? Go. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go chase him down. So, typical like weeknight here. I'm playing with video stuff and getting everything put together. Christina's in on her break, which actually we got some pizza, fresh pizza.
Nice.
Christina's on dinner break.
Little squares.
And she's got to go back to work. And the kids are all done with school. We did a good bike ride today. Bella, how'd you like that bike ride?
It was
fine?
super fun.
Yeah, it was good. Yeah, it was a good time. Jackson's like, this is beautiful. We'd like pull up, like be coming up a hill, and then the sun's coming out, and it's like a golf course.
Did you guys do the park? Or the
We went down this path, yeah.
That's cool.
Just a little bit.
Nice.
And Jax wants a game, so we're gonna maybe do a new game, get some food, and play with some editing and chill for the rest of the night.
Well, hey guys, now it is the 11th day on our own calendar. Because we've been doing it a little different. Because we cannot wait. So now me and Jackson are going to open one up and we're going to have to guess what each other got. 11. Come on. Did you get Minnie Mouse? Yes, that's right.
That's what you got?
What
Jax, what'd you get?
I got Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse?
What
Well, that's still cool though.
Got?
You know who you can show that to when we meet up? Is Brooklyn.
Okay. Yeah, I'm going to go to a birthday present.
That'd be super cool.
Here, guys, you gotta wait. I have something really cool. So today, I got this ice skating rink. The cool thing is, I can take one of my characters. I'm gonna take her. She came with the set. I'm gonna take the little ice skates off and watch how cool this is. You can attach the ice skates to the bottom of her feet.
No way. And she can ice skate around in that little tiny rink. Cool. All right. That's Advent calendar for the morning. All right, Oma, we're here doing work. Working on some videos, working on some future plans, maybe. I'm not gonna even give any hints because I don't want anybody to get any ideas, but you got these two hoodlums running around the pool right now. Playing games, videoing everything. I'd say it's not a bad recess for today.
Okay guys, our first challenge is gonna be rock, paper, scissors. And this is really going to determine who gets pretty far into the pool. So, I'm going to set you guys up.
The pool was a little cold, so the kids came up with a game for who goes in first.
Jack barely got wet. Lucky him. He doesn't even have to go down, but I'm about to. Don't get wet! Okay.
Last day of school, last day of work for the week, so no complaints there. And then tomorrow we're gonna go out and have some fun. I'm excited to see the San Antonio Riverwalk, so we're gonna go check that out. We're gonna take you guys with us.
Life in the camper. Oh, I want to delete the picture.
Why?
Now I got the right button.
They're doing like
Doing
it's like
downtown archaeology.
That's so cool.
Alamo archaeology in coordination with the city of San Antonio and Texas Historical Commission. And they're actually out doing it right now. Let's check the Alamo out first because this thing is cool. All right, we're gonna get a widespread shot here. Got some great info from the Welcome Center there. And we ended up paying $5 a person. That gets us into the exhibit and some other stuff, but there's a lot of free stuff here, which is super cool. And we're going in the Lego
best
exhibit.
toy in the world.
The Battle of the Alamo in Lego form.
There you
Here's the
go.
back.
Oh, that's a huge house.
This Lego model of the 1836 Alamo Fort is a sight to see. Made by the Bell family with over 50,000 Lego bricks and 315 minifigures. Quite amazing.
Yeah.
A lot of time put into that. All right, let's move.
Picture of the century. I said
Oh yeah?
So where are we at?
The Riverwalk. This is so cool. I think this is my favorite place we've been so far.
Yeah.
This looks so pretty. Doesn't
Jax,
it look
what's down there, bud?
ducky? And there's a bunch of water.
And we can already see the lights.
But
It looks
imagine what it's gonna look like at night. There.
And this is what we're eating.
Guys, this is so cool. Oh my gosh, the snake is right above us. So cool. There's the snake. But we'll talk to you later. We're on the 3rd floor at a rainforest cafe.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet.
Some thunder, some lightning though. I mean, some mad gorillas. Save me from the storm, Daddy. This one's fine. I'm not that wet.
It was very loud. How is it, bud?
Go into the restaurant and come out. You can see all these cool lights. And the whole river lit up. It's pretty awesome. The lights, the river. Malibu's taking some photos. It's pretty cool looking, huh, Bella? definitely an experience. I think it's cool because there's just like multiple stories of everything, you know? So like the restaurants all climb up high from the river, and it's not just down low. There's lights everywhere.
It would be sweet. Come on.
Those things are lit up. Just like everything on the river. We're back at the Jeep. Getting loaded up. So we were supposed to continue our drive east, but the forecast said otherwise. Heavy rain and multiple tornadoes were expected.
We're moving sites. Jax is just standing up.
We're in the middle of something.
It's a good thing we stuck around San Antonio a little bit longer. Multiple tornadoes left destruction in the area we had planned to be.
No! Yeah, it's dead.
Well, that would do it. Hey, you got a fish.
You bring good luck.
I bring good luck.
Yeah,
Toss him in. Toss him in. That's a pretty decent
That's my
size.
second one today.
Nice.
It's because Emma helped me with the other one.
That was super nice.
No bait on there. Oh, that was
This is a good spot to just go hang out, do some fishing.
Now I'm good
Huh?
at putting bait on. Oh, this is so funny.
Even though our plans changed and we had to adjust some reservations, we were happy to spend a few more days here. This was our favorite place we have stayed by far, and it will be a tough one to beat. The kids made new friends, the staff was amazing, and the facilities were spotless. The San Antonio KOA will be a destination for us every winter going forward.